I'm finally getting around to building my second pinball machine, and I've drawn up a quick design of it. The main difference I'm planning on making is to have multi-score triggers. That is, a ball won't be lost whenever you score, but I'm planning on using this mechanism that I introduced in another video to be able to keep your ball as you score. And the trigger will dispense some balls that add up your score. I'll go through the features. The first thing that'll happen is as you launch the ball, it'll go up a jump ramp to go into this funnel type of thing, or a bowl, where the ball will go down some rails with a counting ball trigger. The second way to score will be right here, another counting ball trigger, and this will be, I guess, fairly easy to hit, but you'll have the danger of losing your ball at the same time. Next way, I'm planning on making some kind of a half loop here. So you go up and around like this. It's supposed to land here, have some kind of a cushion there, and then go down rails with another trigger here. I'll have extra balls here in the corner, and I'll explain the mechanism at some other point. It'll be different from the first one. Last thing that I want to do is I want to make a tempting way. I'm planning on making all of these 10 points, worth 10 points, and I'll have a tempting 30-point possibility up here. I'll have some kind of a decision triangle where you actually lose your ball, but you have the chance, 1 in 3 chance to get 30 points instead of 10. So, it might be worth it to try, but you can end up with just 10 points and lose your ball, or 30 points if you're lucky. One of the reasons I'm doing all of the others with 10 points is that I think in the old one, because one of the ramp shot was 30 points as the highest score, when you played for a while you ended up just wanting to score high and always aimed for the same ramp instead of trying the other shots. So in a way it wasn't a very balanced pinball. And I'm trying to make this more balanced, where you can either go for skill and go for all the 10-point shots, or go for luck and try hitting the 30 points. So that's the basic layout. I've already started with it, and it's right over here. I've installed the old plunger from my old pinball. It's removable, so that way I didn't have to build a second one to just try out some things. And the first thing I wanted to try out, of course, is the jump ramp. And that's right here. And there you can see I've just made a simple bowl out of cardboard. The other thing I've done is to make these things removable, at least for now. So these are just sitting on toothpicks, and I've drilled some holes in there so they can be removed. Same with the ramp. So basically I can take everything off, including the plunger, of course, and have just the baseboard there. If I design it that way, nothing will get in the way. So that's where I am right now, and looking forward to continuing on that. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.